If you're new to the world of cryptocurrency trading, selecting the right platform is a crucial first step. The ideal platform should be user-friendly, secure, and equipped with resources to help you learn the ropes. In 2025, several platforms stand out as excellent choices for beginners, each with its unique strengths and features. This video will guide you through the top contenders, helping you make an informed decision and start your crypto journey with confidence. We'll explore platforms that offer intuitive interfaces, comprehensive educational materials, and robust security measures. These features are essential for new traders who need a supportive environment to learn and grow. Additionally, we'll consider factors like fee structures, the variety of cryptocurrencies available, and the quality of customer support. By the end of this guide, you'll have a clear understanding of which platforms are best suited to your needs and how to get started. Remember, the goal is to find a platform that not only meets your current needs, but also provides room for growth as you become more experienced. The crypto market is constantly evolving, so choosing a platform that stays updated with the latest trends and technologies is vital. Let's dive in and discover the best crypto trading platforms for beginners in 2025. Number 1. Coinbase, the beginner's choice. Coinbase has consistently been recognized as one of the best platforms for beginners due to its user-friendly interface and comprehensive educational resources. Founded in 2012, Coinbase has grown into a leading cryptocurrency exchange, catering specifically to those new to crypto investing. Its sleek design and easy-to-understand fee structure make it an excellent starting point for novice traders. One of the standout features of Coinbase is its extensive library of educational content. Beginners can access tutorials and guides that explain the basics of cryptocurrency, blockchain technology, and trading strategies. This wealth of information helps new users build a solid foundation of knowledge, making them more confident and informed traders. Furthermore, Coinbase offers advanced trading tools for when you're ready to level up, ensuring you don't need to switch platforms as you gain experience. Coinbase also prioritizes security, implementing robust measures to protect users' funds and personal information. The platform offers insurance against breaches and stores most funds in cold storage, providing an added layer of security. With its combination of user-friendliness, educational resources, and security features, Coinbase remains a top choice for beginners in 2025. Number 2. eToro, social trading for beginners. eToro is another excellent platform for beginners, particularly those interested in social trading. Launched in 2007, eToro has attracted over 30 million users worldwide with its innovative features and user-friendly interface. One of its most appealing aspects is the copy trader feature, which allows beginners to replicate the trades of experienced investors automatically. The copy trader feature enables new traders to learn from seasoned investors by mirroring their trading strategies. This can be an invaluable tool for understanding how experienced traders navigate the market and make decisions. eToro also offers a demo account with $100,000 in virtual assets, allowing beginners to practice trading without risking real money. This is a great way to get comfortable with the platform and test different strategies before committing real capital. In addition to social trading, eToro provides a wide range of educational materials through its eToro Academy. These resources cover everything from basic finance concepts to advanced trading techniques. With its combination of social trading, educational resources, and a user-friendly interface, eToro is a strong contender for beginners looking to enter the crypto market. Number 3. Crypto.com, mobile trading made easy. Crypto.com is a popular global crypto trading platform known for its user-friendly mobile app and diverse range of features. While it offers a web-based exchange, its mobile app is particularly appealing to beginners who prefer trading on the go. The app provides access to over 350 cryptocurrencies and a variety of tools for tracking prices and managing your portfolio. One of the key advantages of Crypto.com is its reward-earning opportunities. Users can earn rewards through staking, Visa card perks, and other promotions. This can be a great way for beginners to earn passive income while learning about the crypto market. The app also provides price alerts and crypto tracking features, helping users stay informed about market movements. Crypto.com's mobile app has received high ratings on both the Apple Store and Google Play, reflecting its user-friendly design and functionality. While U.S. investors may not have access to all of Crypto.com's advanced trading features, the mobile app provides a solid foundation for beginners to start their crypto journey. Number 4. Binance, low fees and advanced features. Binance is renowned for its low fees and extensive selection of cryptocurrencies, making it a popular choice for both beginners and experienced traders. With competitive trading fees starting at 0.1%, Binance offers a cost-effective way to trade a wide variety of digital assets. The platform supports hundreds of cryptocurrencies, providing ample opportunities for diversification. While Binance offers advanced trading tools and features, its interface can be overwhelming for novice traders. However, the platform provides a wealth of educational resources through its Binance Academy, helping beginners learn about blockchain and crypto. These resources cover a wide range of topics, from basic concepts to advanced trading strategies. Binance also offers unique features like the Binance Launchpad, a platform for participating in initial coin offerings, ICOs. This can be an exciting way for beginners to get involved in new crypto projects. Despite its complexity, Binance's low fees and extensive features make it a worthwhile option for beginners who are willing to invest time in learning the platform. When choosing a crypto trading platform, security should be a top priority. Beginners are often more vulnerable to scams and hacks, so it's essential to select a platform with robust security measures. Look for platforms that offer two-factor authentication, 2FA, cold storage of funds, and insurance against breaches. Two-factor authentication adds an extra layer of security by requiring a second verification method, such as a code sent to your phone, in addition to your password. Cold storage involves storing the majority of funds offline, making them less vulnerable to online attacks. 4. Insurance against breaches can help protect your funds in the event of a security incident. In addition to choosing a secure platform, it's also important to practice good security habits yourself. Use a strong, unique password for your account and be wary of phishing scams and other malicious activities. By taking these precautions, you can help protect your funds and personal information while trading crypto. Selecting the right crypto trading platform is a crucial first step for beginners. Each of the platforms discussed in this video offers unique features and benefits, so it's important to consider your individual needs and preferences. Coinbase is an excellent choice for its user-friendly interface and educational resources. eToro stands out for its social trading features, while Crypto.com offers a convenient mobile trading experience. Binance is a great option for those looking for low fees and a wide range of cryptocurrencies, and AvaTrade provides transparent trading conditions. FP Markets supports crypto CFD trading, and BYD-Fi offers a user-friendly experience with copy trading functionality. Remember to prioritize security when choosing a platform, and always practice good security habits. Ultimately, the best crypto trading platform for you will depend on your individual needs and goals. Take the time to research each platform and consider which one best fits your requirements. With the right platform and a solid understanding of crypto trading, you can start your journey with confidence and success.